National Weather Service in Greenfield, Robloxia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wakefield County, until 9:45 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 55 miles north of Wakefield, moving east at 100 miles an hour. Expected hazards including an unusual low-pressure system producing high winds exceeding high wind warning criteria. These winds exceeding high wind warning criteria over 75 miles per hour warns. People have reported severe thunderstorm and tornadoes. Stay tuned for update about this event. You're listening to the Know All Hazard Station KDO 25. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 MHz. This serves all of the Plushington State, all of Robloxia and all of Plushtown State. This program is provided by the National Weather Service Office in Greenfield, Robloxia.